Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 8a with a cracked display, and David will fix it for us. So let's get into it. So you can see that there is a tempered glass on top of the display, but I think this tempered glass failed in protecting the display. This is because the impact happened on the actual display itself, the exposed part of the display. So you can see the tempered glass was also damaged, but not so much as the actual display, which is really unfortunate. You can see the chamfered edges of the Google Pixel 8a is not really covered by the tempered glass, so that's what happened. So there's no way into it. We can't really see anything on the display when we try to push the power button. So we have to replace it with a brand new one. And David has some stocks of Google Pixel 8a displays. And we'll continue with our removal process. So Google Pixel smartphones, when you try to replace the display, you go remove the display first. Unlike other smartphones, you have to remove the back cover. This one you have to remove the cover right from the get-go. So we are spraying some alcohols to soften the adhesive and remove the display. You can see lots of cracks has been added into the display, but that's okay. We'll not reuse this part. We'll dispose of it properly later on. There you go. So we won't pull it out just yet because there's a cable that is connected to the main board. We'll remove the retaining clip. This is like a stamped steel plate. There you go. It fling right out. We'll detach the connector. There you go. It's already removed. So next step, we'll prep the housing. So lots of broken glass and old adhesives were left behind. As you can see here, you have to scrape it off so that when we apply our own liquid adhesive, it's gonna have a clean surface. We'll also drill the bent aluminum part on this corner where the impact happened. So that's for the new display to use. So if it's bent, the display will most likely be damaged because there's a gap there. So it's now gonna be open so that when we install the new display, it's not gonna have clearance issues. Next, we will remove the fingerprint scanner on this one. So this is gonna be a nerve-wracking part of a Google Pixel 8a repair, but you have to take your time, not damage the fingerprint scanner, and it's off. So it's reading the fingerprint through the front display. So that's why we have to transplant it, because the replacement display that we have here doesn't have the fingerprint scanner hardware. And also the data for your fingerprint is stored locally here. So even if your Google Pixel 8a screen replacement has this, it's just better just to reuse the fingerprint scanner behind the broken display. And we have installed it. We'll put the rubber grommet for the front display. And I think we are ready to test the new replacement display. We'll connect it to this single connector. I'm gonna fold it just the right way and we install it. Make sure it's snugly fit. There you go. And turn it on. And this is gonna be the moment of truth. Yes, we can see a battery low indicator. There you go. It's now drawing in power from the charger, but I think the customer has a custom ROM installed on this one. So Google Pixel 8a tend to run pure Android. This one, we'll test it now. It's got ample battery percentage to boot up. Let's see what's the operating system for this one. Yep, it's Graphene OS. This is a custom OS for Android smartphones, which is kind of cool. There you go. We're now in the home screen. We'll shut this phone down for now. We haven't really shown you the wallpaper because it's personal data for the client. We don't want to expose them here. So yeah, we'll remove this, and replacement display, we'll remove that and apply our own liquid adhesive around the housing. So just enough so that we can install a new display, not too much that it will make a messy phone for the customer. Right now we will do the same thing, and then this time with the retaining clip. Gonna be tricky without the screws, but yep. So we're done here. We're just gonna close this up, do some final testing, and give it back to our customer. So if you have any questions on our Google Pixel screen replacement or other services that we offer, don't hesitate to message David or leave a comment on this video, and we'll throw in a free tempered glass that's big enough for the entire display, so it won't crack again. And thanks for joining, guys. I hope you like and subscribe and get inspired to fix your broken smartphone. It can save you some money, you can save the environment, you can save your data, and of course, you get to be cool like us. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.